Hey there! Today we're assembling SKOOL BOT. First, attach the two DC motors to the chassis using screws. Make sure they are firmly secured so SKOOL BOT moves smoothly. Finally, attach the front caster wheel at the center front of the chassis. This allows SKOOL BOT to turn and navigate effortlessly. Next, fix the rear wheels onto the motor shafts, ensuring they fit tightly. Make sure it's secure to prevent shaking when the bot moves. Attach the battery pack in a stable position. Now, let's give SKOOL BOT a brain. Place the ESP32 board on top of the acrylic sheet and secure it with screws or double-sided tape. This tiny board will process all the commands. Next, mount the ultrasonic sensor at the front of the bot. This will help it detect obstacles. Your SKOOL BOT is fully assembled and ready to roll. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome robotics projects.